Alright, so I was asked, what is it that my motorcycle is sitting upon? Well, it happens to be a, I guess you call it a turnstile for your motorcycle. The original when I originally built it, I only had one for resting the kickstand on, but I decided to improve upon that. As you can see, you can do it on both sides, so you drive up on one, turn it around, drive off. That way you don't have to keep turning it around over and over and over again. Eventually what I'll do is improve upon this model. And when I originally made it, I had a cut on here for driving in and off of. But unfortunately, that's not there anymore. In fact, the old license plate to one of my old bikes is on there now to help get the bike off, and I got a piece of junk wood right here. It's about ready to fall off. But that's what's going on with that. But this is it, and you can see you get a 12-inch turnstile. I forget what it's called. I can pick these up at a hardware store. It's rated for 1,000 pounds. My bike weighs about 800 pounds. And I put the ropes on there so that way when I go ahead and pick it up, I don't end up breaking anything. That's what happened the last time when I did it. But this one will probably have to get replaced underneath. Over time, shreds of metal, dirt gets inside there and stuff. Eventually what it does is cause a warping underneath there. Still haven't quite figured out how I can be able to best protect this, but that's what I got going on with that. But as you can see, I could roll up on the bike, it clears out everywhere. My handle clears out. My fenders clear out. As you see, originally it was able to move without any problems, but now it's starting to have problems. That might be because of the rope getting caught, but I digress. You can keep moving it around, drive your bike up, drive it off, turn it around inside the garage, and then turn it back around instead of backing up. Like, I'm all about making it easier for you to be able to work on versus actually having to do all that work of backing up your bike.